Let's talk about contact forms. There are several ways for users to contact you on your website. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to General, and then we're going to go to Email. Here you could add the email that you want to use, where you want to get these email responses for contact forms and voicemail. You'll just change the email here, and once you're done, you'll hit Save. By default, this should be the email that you provided when creating your account. Now let's go to Pages, and now we're going to go to New Page. We want to design a contact form. So the first thing we're going to want to do is, because we already have a bit of text here, we're going to add in a block, and specifically a contact form block. So we'll go down here and pull a contact form and drag it right below the text here. And just like that, we have added a contact form, and then we could start to change the content here on the page. For example, I'm actually going to go to the page here. The first thing I'll do is change this to contact, and then the URL will be contact. So we're set to go there. Then I'm going to go to settings and then start to make adjustments here. So we'll change the text. All right, that is adjusted. We'll center that. And then we'll come in here and go into this block. All right, and now I'm going to go to this text block here and then click center, and then we could adjust that text accordingly. Now, just like that, you have added a contact form to your website where people can contact you, and it will go to the email that we set up in step 1. Also note that you are not limited to just have one contact form on your website. You can add a contact form to any part of your site. Now, there's also another really cool feature where people can leave you voicemail. We're going to go to the plus sign and then scroll down here. In here, we're going to go to the widgets section and then pull the voicemail option into the page. So I'm going to drag it here and drop it in. As you can see here, it gives people the option to start recording so that they can record voicemail that would then be sent to your email. So for now, we're going to hit save and publish this page. And then we're going to go back to our main navigation. You also have another option to have this widget load on every single page of your website. So if you go to customize and then you go to general settings, you're going to see here that this is already set up and live, but you'll see voice message button displayed or enabled. And you'll see down here, there's an option for people to leave voicemail. So we already have it enabled. From here, we could do a few different things. We could change if we want it to be an icon or if we want it to read as text at the bottom of the screen, send us a voice message, or if we want it on the right of the screen, as you can see here. So it gives us a few really cool options. I'm going to keep it as, let's just do bottom for now, and then you could adjust this text to whatever you like it to be. So here, I'm just going to add an exclamation point. And then here you have some more options to change the subtitle of the text as well when someone clicks into it. So you have some really cool options for people to leave voice messages on your website. And if you just want to keep it on the contact page, you can disable it so it doesn't show up at all. And that way people can go to the contact page and leave you a voice message.